here in Llandudno, and we just had a session, which I thought was really quite amazing actually.
Oh, it was fantastic. Our residents have thoroughly enjoyed today, and we can't thank Digital Communities Wales enough.
Yeah.
Give them the opportunity to reminisce like that and see photos and footage of their local communities has just been amazing.
Yeah, and the thing that I get out of it is you just want to spend more time talking to them because they just open up.
Yeah.
And whether it's stories about the RAF or when they came down on their holidays, and you know, it just flows out. It's like opening a tap, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is. The fact that we got lots of requests asking if we had footage of certain communities where they were on holiday or where they went to school or where they used to live. It's wonderful in terms of opening up conversations and really nostalgic for them. It's just wonderful to see.
Yeah, so some of the films that we are showing, the BFI films from the National Library of Wales, those are really good, going back over the decades, and then mixing that with the VR headsets of places like Llandudno here.
Yeah.
There's instantly, oh yes, I know where I am, and
totally immersed in where they were. It's just amazing to see. The fact that they could look all around and feel as if they were actually experiencing the beach and things like that, and because a lot of our residents have got mobility issues, they may not get the opportunity to go to the beach in some of those places anymore, so this is a way of actually enabling them to relive that. It's just fantastic. Fantastic.
Do you think it's perfect?
It's fantastic.
It's amazing, isn't it?
It's fantastic. It really is, isn't it? So, well, I know our Llanrwst scheme's very keen to have you, so that'll be the next one we'll book in. And we've already got a date to go to Melys as well, so those residents are really looking forward to you visiting. So thank you.
yeah, well, thank you very much for having us here. Onwards and upwards.
Absolutely, yeah.
Okay, thank you, Lee.